In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in 007 Light. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Agent Jacksepticeye. This mod gonna replace the Bond to Jacksepticeye character. Manual download and select slow download option. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open runtime. Before dropping this, you need to back up your file. Just drag and drop this package definition to desktop and drag and drop these two files inside of a runtime folder. Once you're done, launch the game. And as you can see, the character swap mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.